guys, week 4 is complete. Week 4, day 7, at least my week 4, day 7 is complete because I just finished my exercise. What I want to share for today is how we look at exercise in general. I read something that was very interesting online, and this person was talking about how she dreads the word exercise, but she's more open to the word movement. And so I thought that was genius, and I kind of wanted to build upon that thought. When we look at exercise as simply moving, we see that it becomes more subjective to our daily activities, to what we deem as fitness, to what we deem as exercise. I have a friend, I had a conversation with him at one point, and he was talking about how he hates going to the gym, but he enjoys racquetball. And I'm just like, dude, you are exercising. That's the kind of mindset that I want to help cultivate. Your exercise is simply movement. When we're breaking it down to the simplest core, we're just moving. What are your favorite ways to move? And that's your best exercise. That's the exercise that's going to be the most sustainable for you. That's the thing that you're going to be the most likely to be consistent with over a long period of time. And so your movement, your favorite ways to move as you go through this handbook, as you finish this handbook and go beyond this program, you're going to realize that exercise can be a lot more fun than we make it seem. So that is today's quick boost. Great job. We're halfway through. We're going to open up a fresh week 5 with the journal topic, of course, tomorrow. I'll see you then.